Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Very good evening to you. I hope you have been enjoying this session throughout the day. We have had some fantastic speakers like Pramod Karnad ji, who has moderated a wonderful session on compliance. Thank you, Pramod ji, for that. We have had some fantastic sessions which were by the trust by Mr. Ravi Kiran Mankikar. We have had a session on experience next, and now we also listen to some of the top CIOs of the cooperative banking sector telling about what expectations do they have from technology to take cooperative banking to the next level. Friends, post this is a time to celebrate. What are we going to celebrate? The time is to celebrate what are the great technologies that have made a great leapfrogging into the cooperative banking sector. We always say that India has been a land of bullock carts and we have to fast track into the space age. How do we do this now? So if you have to really fast track this bullock cart into the space and make it a rocket, how do you fix a rocket engine of technology into it? How do you make it so smart, so robust, so interesting, so fast that it can catapult you to the space age? And that is technology for us. Over last few years, whatever innovations we have seen in the cooperative banking space or in the banking and financial space, most of this has been attributed to technology, technology, and technology. While people, processes, all those things make a lot of importance, today is the digital age where technology is going to play the rampant role. And you know what is the biggest handicap of the cooperative banking sector? It is that we don't have enough people who are manning the technology, who can actually make sure that the cooperative bank can sustain this regular need for going into newer and newer technologies. We have tried to create a midway for cooperative banks. What we did was we took some of the technologies in the market, and all these stalwarts who spoke some time back to you in this session of the jury, technologies can actually make sense from a cooperative banker's perspective, and what suggestions they can give to the sector to use these technologies. Some are lending technologies, some are digital transformation technologies, some are payment technologies, and so on and so forth. And last but not the least, these days a lot of cloud and analytics is coming into picture. How are these technologies going to be rated? So all this was done by a group of forward-looking luminary CIOs of the cooperative banking sector. So friends, based on what all nominations that have happened, we decided to have some interesting conversations with them, and we tried to create a set of, uh, you know, uh, uh, set of interesting innovations that can work for the cooperative banking sector. And then for that base, we have created this entire set of 10 innovations which we felt was rated by the cooperative banking sector in a big way and could make a lot of sense for the sector. So we are presenting that in the FCBTA Awards, which we have formed for the first time in the last few years. And friends, now I would like to invite upon my colleague, Mr. Dheeraj Mestri, to announce these awards. May I request Dheeraj also to join me on the stage, please? Welcome, Dheeraj. So, Dheeraj
Hello.
is my colleague, and he is going to share with you who are the top 10 innovators who have got the FCPTA award this year.
Thank you, Mr. Nair, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. And I would like to, very good evening to everyone. So, moving on to the awards. So, the first award, FCBTA 2020 awards for the best automation solution goes to Digital KYC from Obvious Technology team. Good round of applause.
Congratulations, Obvious Technologies. Digital KYC, digital onboarding, and photography based, digital solution based onboarding of the customers without touch is one of the most important things. And it is really nice to see that Obvious Technologies has gained this award for best digital KYC solution. Congratulations, digital KYC product from Obvious Technologies. Dheeraj, can you please take over?
So the next award goes to FCBTA 2020 for best leading solution goes to Lead Easy from Epic Indifield Software and Solution. Congratulations, team. Congratulations.
Lend Easy, the solution that makes lending easy from Epic Indifi Solutions. A great revolution for the cooperative banks to automate their lending processes. Congratulations.
Moving on. So FCBTA 2020 award for the best artificial intelligence goes to IAML as SaaS from IDBI Tech Limited. Congratulations, team.
Anti-money laundering has been one of the most important areas of concern for any bank, and cooperative banks were not very savvy in the anti-money laundering area, and it is really encouraging to see a solution developed by IDBI Intech, which is also a part or probably the supplier to IDBI Bank, and with the intelligence gained from the banking sector, they have developed this IAML as SaaS model. So it is use as you pay as you use kind of model. Congratulations, team IDBI Intech.
Moving on to the next award. So the FCBTA 2020 awards for the best compliance and reporting goes to Prime 360 from Proxidex Technology Private Limited. Congratulations, team.
Congratulations for a very interesting compliance and reporting product being Proxidex. Congratulations to you.
So, moving on, FCBTA 2020 awards for the best lending solution goes to Rapid from Hot Food Technology Solutions. Congratulations, team.
Congratulations to Hot Food. Lending solution has been a very important area of uh, growth for the cooperative banking sector. The faster you turn around your lending processes, the more efficient your business gets, and this is where the lending solution comes into picture. Congratulations to Hot Food.
Moving on, FCBTA 2020 awards for the best digital payment solution goes to Kia AI Digital Payment Solution from Infrastructure Technology. Congratulations, team.
Congratulations, Team Infrasoft. AI is one of the most sunrise technologies for the sector of banking, and it is very nice that the cooperative banking sector has got the exposure to AI and lending technologies by the Team Infrasoft. It's a very well accepted solution globally. I have seen Kia AI as a very good global solution in different markets, and it is encouraging that they have crafted it for the Indian market. Congratulations, Team Infosoft.
Moving on to the next award, FCBTA 2020 Awards for the Best Compliance Audit and RegTech Solution goes to Regulatory Reporting Suite from Kaiser Software and India Private Limited. Congratulations, Team Kaiser.
Congratulations, Team Kaiser. We all know regulators are currently doing the changes in the regulations in the last few months. And one of the most important things that has come up is that the constantly changing regulatory requirements and compliances have to be met by the people regularly as well. And this is a fantastic suit which the jury has recognized from this entire bundle of products that came to us. Congratulations.
The next award, FCBTA 2020 Awards for the Best Digital Innovations goes to Cloud Ready Digital Banking Solution Suite from Infosys. Congratulations, Team Infosys.
Congratulations, Team Infosys, for your fantastic Cloud Ready Banking Innovation Solutions Suite, Bank Ready Solution, Digital Banking Ready Solution Suite, which has come from Team Infosys. You have already been some of the best innovations in the cooperative banking sector in the last few years, and it is really encouraging to see this digital banking solution suite from Infosys.
Moving on to the next awards, FCBTA 2020 Award for the Best Security Solution goes to Singular Key No Code Orchestration from Singular Key.
Congratulations, Team Singular Key. One of the most important problems that the banking and financial sector has been facing is the kind of frauds that have been seen or surfaced in the payments, especially from the mobile payment space. The Singular Key solution is a solution which sits on the back end of the hardware of the phone and makes sure that no one can compromise with your app or UPI payment unless and until the person gets the hand on the device. So this is a wonderful solution. Do try it out, and the jury has rightly recognized it. Congratulations, Team Singular Key.
Moving on, FCBTA 2020 Awards for the Best Digital Innovation goes to InstaGen Audix Technology. Congratulations, Team Audix.
Congratulations, Team Audix, for InstaGen, which is another interesting digital innovation product worth watching for from the cooperative banking sector. Hearty congratulations. Audix also has some fantastic security products as well in the digital innovation space. Congratulations, Team Audix.
So I would like to congratulate all the winners. Thank you so much, Mr. Nair. All up to you now.
Thank you very much, Dheeraj, for announcing the awards. I think we had a very good mix of interesting products that were brought in by the companies which provided technology solutions. This year we had not a lot of products, but we had definitely some interesting products as well. And the next FCBT award, we look forward to see a lot more interesting products and a lot more innovations which we can bring to the fore in front of you. We hope to bring about 20 products next year, which we can share with the cooperative banking sector, which will be evaluated by the CXOs, CIOs and CTOs of the cooperative banking sector for the sector. Thank you very much everyone for being a part of this first FCBTA Awards, that is Frontiers in Cooperative Banking Technology Awards, which was held for the first time by Banking Frontiers in this FCBA Awards.